Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is Julia. My hiking trail name is Time Out, and I am primarily a mid-50s solo female backpacker. And so this year I attempted the Appalachian Trail. It was my second attempt. My first attempt was last year. This year was my second attempt, and I made it 474.6 miles until I had to get off trail after 2 knee injuries. Different injuries, same knee. So that being said, I am taking the time off of the trail to address that issue, but I wanted to give an update on where is this channel going? Am I quitting YouTube? Am I gonna go hiking again? Like, what's happening? So let's just stay tuned and we're gonna find out right now. Hey everybody, hope you're having a wonderful Saturday. I just finished mowing the grass and I was just taking a break, and I was watching another YouTuber, and he went on. I'll post his channel below because I don't know it off the top of my head. It's just somebody that I just kind of showed up in my feed, and I think I've watched like a video here and there, so I don't know his name or his YouTube channel, but I'll post it below. But I watched his video and he talked a lot about the types of videos that, are becoming more popular on YouTube. And that being said, those videos are more of ones that are unscripted, of people that are real. And I know that that's true because there's quite a few that I've stumbled across where sometimes it's just people in their daily lives. And I don't know that I binge watch them, but I do find it interesting. I think as humans, we do find it interesting to kind of gain insight, especially when it's people that we don't really know into our daily lives. And I've been really struggling since I got off the Appalachian Trail. It's like, well, what do I do with my channel now? Because I do know that I am losing some subscribers. Why? Because I was a solo female hiker. And right now, in the current moment, I am not solo female hiking anything. That being said, with the weather, even as hot as it is, that I'm limited on how much I'm able to even walk outside, no less go walk several miles in the woods in my local forests right now. So I've really been struggling and kind of trying to brainstorm, being like, well, what kind of videos can I continue to make? Because one, I love making them. I love interacting with people. I love learning from other people that have common interests as me and, as I do as well. And so I've missed it, but I also don't just want to get on and just start just making junky videos just to put videos out. But then again, I also don't want to sit there and not put anything out because I put so much pressure and so much stress on myself to deliver this really great video about a certain topic. So I have had some struggles over the last few weeks. What does my channel look like now that in the current I'm not out hiking on the Appalachian Trail or any other trail? And I do have a huge announcement coming because that's just who I am. I've just been waiting another couple days before I wanted to share that announcement. So I thought that it would be great for me to just kind of get on here and let you know that I'm not finished yet. So I still have some great things planned. And I think that what I really realized that I needed to do is, one, just be honest with myself and just say, in the short term, I'm putting the AT on the back burner, and that short term could be this year. It might be for next year. I'm just not 100% sure yet, but I do want to feel confident that I'm my best self, mentally and physically and health-wise, to go back out on trail a third time and, pick up where I left, start sobo, whatever that picture looks like, and be able to finish it that time, this next time around. So that being said, I've kind of turned my channel around a little bit. It is going to involve traveling. It is going to involve hiking. It is going to be involved seeing things around the world. And at the same time, then that also is going to be geared towards me focusing on what I need to do to really get a grasp on my health. And that being said, you know, I'm 54 years old and I have some medical conditions that, you know, just not because of my age that make me struggle with weight, but I do have other conditions that make me struggle with weight. And I know that that is a huge part, that plays a huge part in the success in anything that I want to do on a physical level. So I really feel like I need to make a big change in my lifestyle. And I have found out that obviously trying to hike 10 or 12 miles a day might not be the best in the short term for me to get to that goal. So that being said, I just wanted to come on here. I just wanted to share a little bit about what's going on. I'm not falling off the planet of the earth. I'm doing well. I'm doing some water aerobics 4 days a week. I have some other things that I'm doing as far as Qigong and some mat Pilates and stuff to continue to build strength and get that knee completely healed. But I really have just kind of been in a place where I had to figure out, you know, am I going to continue with this channel? Am I going to start a new channel? Am I going to quit YouTube? Like, what's going to happen? And I really feel like I'm just going to keep this channel going. I think it's just going to evolve. And one of the things that I've learned as I've gotten older and traveling in an RV and letting go of things and living more minimalist and hiking almost 500 miles on the AT with everything that is important on my back, is that when you let go of certain things or ideas that have just been kind of ground into you for whatever reason, it really allows you to grow in a way that you can't even imagine, because you've shed weight in other ways that have allowed you to change. So that being said, this was unscripted. I didn't do any bullets. I was waking up in the middle of the night going through this video that I was going to talk about all this, you know, these key points and everything. And I really just felt like, you know, I'm just going to get on here. I'm just going to be honest where I'm at. I'm not even going to edit this. I'm going to throw it up. I hope that I didn't use the word so a bunch of times, which is hard for me, or which I usually catch when I'm editing my videos. I really am trying to focus on getting better in that transition. And that's just for my own development. I mean, you know, it is what it is. I am who I am and I'm trying to change and be better, but sometimes you fall into those old habits. So it's just a quick video. I just wanted to come on here really quick, but I will be sharing with you a very exciting announcement that's coming soon. And then I will have a short series of videos that will be coming out in my preparation before that happens. So stay tuned. In the next day or two, I will share my big news with you. And I hope that you will stick with me. I hope that you will follow along and like my content and continue to comment. Give me your ideas as my videos, you know, change, as this channel kind of evolves. And like I said, if there's any experiences in my previous videos that you have watched, and there's other videos that you may want me to do based on that experience, then let me know in the comments for sure, and I will make those videos. But thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful weekend and happy trails, everyone.